Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a pixelated Godzilla. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, start off with our pixelated Godzilla. I'm going to be using a different marker. I'm actually using this bigger chisel tip Sharpie, and that way I can get some nice kind of like more square and rectangle lines. So to start off with this, let's begin by making the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to come down like this. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come across here. Then I'm going to make another line right up here. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down. I'm going to make a line across here. Then I'm going to make another line up here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down. And then I'm going to make a little line coming down right inside of here. Next, I'm going to draw a line right here. And then I'm going to make one and then two lines coming down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then a little line here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come across here. Then I'm going to make a nice long line right here. Next, I'm going to make a line right here. And then one right here a little lower. And then a small one here. Next, I'm going to make a line down. Then I'm going to come in. And then we're going to go across here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then one here. And then one right across here. Make a line down, a line in, a line down, and then we're going to make a line across here. Make a line in, then we're going to go over, then we're going to come in, over, and then up like this for the jaw. Next, I'm going to make some teeth. We're going to go over and then up. We can go down, over, and then up. And then go down, over, and then up. Same thing here. We can go over and down, up, over, and then down. Then right here, I'll make a little line for the nose, and then a little line here. Next, I'm going to make another line over here. And then I'm going to make another line right here. Then I'm going to go down and then over. Down and then over. And then down and then over here. Now I'm going to make this line come down a little farther. Then we'll come over here. We'll go down again. And then we'll come over here. We'll go down. Now I'm going to bring this line over a little more. Then I'm going to come down. And we're going to go over, down, and then over here. Right here, I'm going to make this line come down. We'll go this way. We'll go down, and then this way, and then down again. We're going to come over here. We're going to go down and in. We'll go down and then out. Then we'll come down and in, and then down here. Next, right here, we're going to come straight down, and then we'll make another one that goes straight down. One more here. Then we'll come over and then down here for the arm. Now, right here, I'm going to make another line that's going to go right up and down. And then here, we're going to go over and up, over, and then up. Then we're going to go down and over for like a little line, down and over for a line. And then here, we're going to go over and then down, over, and then down, over here. Then I'm going to go down, over, and then down, down, over, and then down, over, and down, for kind of like a scaly pattern on his stomach. Then I'm going to go down and then over for a claw. We're going to go over, down, and then over for another claw. And then the other one we won't even see. Now for his spikes, let's begin by starting here. We're going to go over and then up, over and then up, over, down, over, and then down. Right here, we're going to go up, and then over, up, and then over, up, and then over. Next, I'm going to come down, and then over, down, and over. Then we're going to come straight down. Next, I'm going to come up and over, up, and then over. Next, I'm going to come up, and then over a little bit, and then up again. We're going to go over and up, over and down, over and down, over and then down. We'll kind of do that same thing here. We're going to go up and over, up and over, down, over, and down. Then right here, we're going to go up, and then over, up, and over. Then the small one, I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to go up and over. We're going to go up and over, down, over, down. Then just to add a little detail, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then over, down, and then over for a little bit of detail. And then I want to make his heat ray coming out of here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come straight out, and then up. We're going to go over, and up, and then over here. Same thing here. We're going to go over, and then down, over, and down, and then straight over here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a close-up of a pixelated Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.